The installation of the wire harness. Step 1. Use wire ties to attach the main wire harness, shark fin harness and the camera harness in the bottom of cap and then tie down from the right side of beam. Step 2. Route the right side motor pipeline to the bottom of the cap to connect the gyroscope harness and battery harness. Note: install away from heat source to avoid burning the wire harness. Neither the wire nor installation will interfere with the driver work. Keep simple and aesthetic. Step 3. Route the wire harness into the bottom of right side cap to connect the motor, display and antenna harness, and then connect each parts of main wire harness. Step 4. Hidden the excessive wire harness and tied up. According to the varieties of tractors, flexible installation reduces the damage rate by human factors. Cut out the excessive tie.